we have to go to file, new, and then start writing a program. So before writing the program, we will save the file. So while saving the file, you keep in mind maximum 8 characters it will take. So we'll give a short name for your program. So I'll do like this way. So I'll just remove this, and this my lab exercise number 2 is this. I'll write lab2 underscore I'll write pu1. Okay, so I'll give a short name for this program. Maximum 8 characters it will take. Okay, so this lab2 pu1. So I'll start the code now. Hash include. These are my header files. So these header files you have to include in your program. Then hash include. Next one is your conio.h. So conio.h header file. Then hash include iomanip.h. So iomanip.h. Then you have to start your main program. So void main function. So already told what is a void means. When we are not returning any value, that time using void as a data type or return type. So void main function. So int, we are writing a program to find area of circle and circumference. So we want input as a radius. So I'll take r. Okay, if you want, you can take complete word as a radius. So input r stand for your radius. Then, or you can take declare in float because area will come in a float. So declare as a float is nothing but fractional value. So float r, then we want to store the result. So that is area is another word, and then circum is a short form of circumference to store the result of circumference. Then clr scr function, this is the used to clear the screen of your earlier program output. That is clr scr function. Then cout, you should give the heading for the input statement, that is enter the radius or enter the radius. Enter the radius. And then cin, this is the input statement. So cin, I have taken radius as a r variables or r alphabet. So I've taken cin r, that is input radius. Now after that we have to go for the process. So process is what? Area is equal to formula, that is 2 pi, that is pi r square. So area equal to pi r square. So pi value is nothing but 3.142 into r, that is radius. Okay, that is area formula, pi r square. And then circum, because I have taken a circum as a word, so circum is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.142 into r, that is 2 pi r formula. After that we want to display the result. So cout, okay, here I'll write area is equal to, so where we are storing the result? In a small area word. So area, and I want this output, that is next output on a new line, so n line, and then cout circumference to store the result. We have taken circum, so circum, and then n line means your control will come on a new line, and then get ch, okay, and then close this function. Now to save this file, for saving you should go to file and click on save, because already given the name, whatever you have typed now just now, that also should get saved. So click on save here. So once it is gets saved, then you can go for compilation. So here see compilation, or you can use shortcut key alt F9, or just click on compile. If there are no any errors, then you will get 0 errors here. So once you get 0 errors, then you have to go for execution of the file, that is using run. So run shortcut is a control F9. If you press control F9, it will go for the execution, or you can click just on run here using a mouse button. Now it is asking enter the radius. So first we'll take a small value to verify your result is getting correct or not. So we'll take here 1. So I have taken radius as a 1. So formula, you know, area equal to what? Pi r square. Okay, that is nothing but what? 3.142 into 1 square. So 3.142 into 1 square is nothing but 3.142 into 1 into 1. So answer will come 3.142 only. So we'll just check it here. So just check it here. We have got answer area 3.142. And what is circumference formula? 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.142 into 1. So 2 into 3.142 into 1 is nothing but double of your 3.142 is nothing but 6.284. Means we are getting correct answer because I have taken a simple value to verify your program is executing correct or not. So we are getting the correct answer. I'll just give you different values now. So I'll just enter once again. I'll run this program by using run. Now no need to compile because already we have verified errors are not there. So directly run here. So once you click on run, you can take any other value now. So I'll take here 3. So radius is 3, or you can take 3.5, or if you want, you can take 3.5 because you have taken float. So 3.5, you will get a radius answer. So this is area and this is circumference here. So like that, we can execute the program. First, you have to write down the entire program and then run the program. So this is your to find the area of circle and circumference program. So now this is the third program. Write a program to find area of a triangle given three sides. So this is the program is there because I mentioned using three sides here. So we are using that concept here and then we are calculating. So these are my all header files which are written here hash include iostream.h, then iomanip.h, conio.h. Now we have included one more extra header file here, that is math.h. I'll tell you what is the use of math.h as soon as we'll go ahead with the program here. So now this is my return type void main function. Double is the data type here. So double is also a fractional value that will give. So float and double, these are the fractional data types here, okay? So double is also a data type here. So this is a range will be more compared to float value here. Now S1, S2, S3, these are the three sides of your triangle, and S is the one, say for we are using one formula to store the result, and area is my final result. Now see out enter the length of three sides, that is enter the length of the three sides of your triangle. So scene S1, S2, S3, so three sides. So for example, you can take say 1, then second side is 2, then third side is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now these values will come for the computation or calculation of S equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 divided by 2. This is the formula to find area of triangle with the three sides here. So S equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 divided by 2, it will get calculated here, and that value will be used in your main formula, that is area equal to SQRT. Now what is SQRT here? That is called square root, okay? So here we cannot use square root symbols, so for that purpose a SQRT function will be there, and SQRT function means what, to find the square root of that number. Now suppose 4 is there, I want to find the square root of 4. So square root of 4 is nothing but 2. So I have to use SQRT4. So if I return SQRT4, directly I will get answer what? 2 there. But how we will get this answer? Because SQRT functions working is written in this header file. Which header file? Math.h header file here. So whenever you want any mathematical operations or functions you have to use in your program, that time you have to use or include math.h header file here. So I'm using here now SQRT function. So SQRT function working is written in this header file, that is math.h. If you not use this math.h and if you write only SQRT function in program, you will get an error message that is the SQRT function is not defined or unable to connect. Okay, that is nothing but SQRT function is not defined. So SQRT function is nothing but square root of. So what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus S1 into S minus S2 into S minus S3 here. This is the into notation is that is star notation. So then after performing the process, you will get a result here. What C out area equal to area here. So we'll see this program using C++ editor. So now, okay. So any doubt in this? Any doubt in this program? Have you felt any difficulty to understand this program? This is a simple program, is it okay? Now I'll teach you one more program here. So see, this is the program. This is the fourth number program is there. So, I'll just stop the sharing screen and I'll come back to explanation part. So I'll show you the explanation here. So already I've taken one example here. So see you. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this, so you'll get idea how the program is going to flow. So you take down the screenshot and tell me if you have taken the screenshot. Just put in a chat box the screenshot if you have taken. Done. Then take down further part. Take down this screenshot. Done. Okay. The execution of this program I'll show you and then we'll go ahead. Okay. We'll stop here. Okay. Now we'll see a new program here. So I'll save this file with the name as lab4 underscore u1. Okay, lab4 is already there. Lab. Okay. So now see you have to start with this hash include iostream.h hash include say conio.h, then hash include say iomanic.h, and then void main function. Open this. So now declaration of variable. So say int total days, comma months, comma years, and days. These are my variables. CLR function, and then cout input or enter days. Enter say total days. Enter total days, and cin total days is my input. Now we have to start with the formula. So year is equal to total days divided by 365. Then total days is equal to total days mod 365 to find out remaining days. Then months is equal to total days divided by 3 divided by 30, and then days is equal to total days mod 30. Mod is nothing but remainder, and then cout cout just a minute. Cout first will display years equal to years, then inline, then cout, then here months equal to months and year, and then cout days equal to days. If you want, you can write ENDL and then get ch and close this and save this file once again. Just a minute. Save this file once again and then execute the file. So compile first. If there is no errors, so we will get 0 errors. So run the file. Now I'll put here 366 days. So you will get idea 1 year. Okay, 1 day. So see here 1 year, 1 day. So see year equal to 1 and days equal to 1. Month is obviously 0. I'll take more here now. So control F9 or you can run here. We'll take now 400. So 400 means 1 year, 1 month and 5 days. So here 1 year, 1 month and 5 days because 400 minus 365 only left out 35 days. In 35 days if you minus 30, so 30 is nothing but 1 month, only 5 days is left out. And then I've taken 4000. So just run. So in logic I've taken 4050, so 4050. So here 11 years, 1 month, 5 days, the same answer what we have done here. Okay. So like that we can write down the program and we can